Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about some of the unseen problems from the chapter Trigonometry of class 10th. So just try to write the problem, go for a try. If you are getting it, it's good. If you are not getting it, just come back to the video and look at the solution. So I hope this video will definitely help you, especially for the class 10th students. Let's begin the video. So our first problem is problem number 1. Show that sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This is what we have to prove. Okay. Show that sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equals to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This is what we have to prove. So just pause the video and go for a try. Now I'll solve it. See, sin power 6 theta can be written as sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Okay. Now you all know the formula a cube plus b cube. So what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So this is the formula. Here in the place of a you can find sin square theta. In the place of b you can find cos square theta. So in the place of a, who is there? Sin square theta. In the place of b, cos square theta. Okay. Now put it here. Sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube is equal to, okay, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is a plus b whole cube minus 3 times ab, that is sin square theta cos square theta times a plus b. Again you are going to write sin square theta plus cos square theta. So from the trigonometry identity we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Here we can write 1 and here also we can write 1. So next step is one whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta times 1. So 1 whole cube is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, this is what we have to prove. Hope you understand this. We'll go for the next question. Now the second question is show that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 over tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equals to 1 plus sin theta over cos theta. So this is what we have to prove. Okay, you can pause the video and go for a trial. Now we all know a trigonometric ratio related to tan and sec. What is that? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay. Now in the place of this one, I'm going to write this trigonometric identity. What is that? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. So what the step is going to become? Tan theta plus sec theta. In the place of 1, I am writing sec square theta minus tan square theta over, so the denominator is unchanged, that is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So here you can understand this is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay. Now we are going to write it as tan theta plus sec theta minus, this is the algebraic expression, that is a square minus b square. We can write it as a minus b times a plus b, that is sec theta plus tan theta times sec theta minus tan theta over, the denominator is unchanged, that is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. See, if you observe it carefully, this is tan theta plus sec theta. Okay, observe this part. This is tan theta plus sec theta. This is also tan theta plus sec theta. Can we take it as common? Now take tan theta plus sec theta as common. Now it is going to become, here it will become 1 minus, here this term is not there, I am going to expand. See, minus times plus is going to become minus, that is sec theta, minus times minus is going to become plus, that is tan theta over tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. See, this is 1 minus sec theta tan theta. These two are identical terms. In the numerator as well as denominator, we can cancel them. Here we are going to have tan theta plus sec theta. So what is tan theta? Sin theta over cos theta plus, what is sec theta? 1 over cos theta. So it is going to become sin theta plus 1 over cos theta, which is our answer. Hope you got it. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Okay, so our third question is, I'll close this and then open this paint. Okay, now we'll go for the third question. So third question is, if sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p, then show that sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 over p square plus 1. Okay, so the given is sec theta plus tan theta is p, then we have to prove that sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 over p square plus 1. Okay, now you just pause the video and go for a try. See, sec theta plus tan theta is given as p, let it be equation number 1, and our equation number 2 is obtained from trigonometric identity. Regarding to the second tan, what is the trigonometric identity? Since sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is in the form of a square minus b square, that is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. We know the value of sec theta plus tan theta is already given as p, so we can put it there. P times sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1. Then sec theta minus tan theta is going to become 1 over p. That is equation number 2. Now you got two equations. One is sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p, and the other is sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. Now we are going for equation number 1 plus equation number 2. That is sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p, and sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 over p. I am going to add them. See, if I am adding, this is plus tan theta and minus tan theta are going to get cancelled. This is sec theta plus sec theta is 2 sec theta, and you know p plus 1 by p is going to become, LCM is p, and p times p is p square plus 1. So what it is going to become? This is p square plus 1 over p. Let it be equation number 3. Okay. Now we will go for equation number 1 minus equation number 2. We did already 1 plus 2 here. Here already we did 1 plus 2. Here we will go for 1 minus 2. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. What is that? Sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p, and sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. Now we are going for subtraction. See, when we are going for subtraction, what is going to happen? This will become minus, this will become plus, and it will become minus. These two are get cancelled. Now tan theta plus tan theta is going to become 2 tan theta is equal to p minus 1 by p. P is LCM, p times p is p square minus 1. So it is going to become p square minus 1 by p. Let it be equation number 4. Observe what we have to show. In the answer, p square minus 1 is the numerator. That means this term should be the numerator and this term should be the denominator. That's why I am going for equation number 4 over equation number 3. See, when we have to divide two equations, LHS by LHS and then RHS by RHS. 2 tan theta is LHS here. 2 sec theta is LHS here. 2 sec theta is equal to, here it is p square minus 1 by p, and here it is p square plus 1 by p. This term divided by this term. Now p are get cancelled. Here we got p square minus 1 over p square plus 1. 2 are get cancelled. What is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta over cos theta over sec theta is 1 over cos theta is equals to p square minus 1 over p square plus 1 cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. So now we are at the answer. What we have to prove now? We have to prove that sin theta equals to p square minus 1 over p square plus 1. So this is what we have to prove. Okay, you got it. Now we will go for the next question. So the next question is question number 4, that is, if cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then show that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay, this is the given condition. We have to show this. Okay, let's go for the problem. You just pause the video and go for a try. So what is given? cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. I'm just going for by squaring on both sides. Okay, tell me the next step. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. You know the formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now it is going to become cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, here it is already we have root 2 whole square is going to become 2 cos square theta. So this is cos square theta. Now don't keep 1 here. Okay, just write this term and these two terms should be transposed. Okay, now tell me the next step. 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, tell me the next step. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is going to become cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now this cos square theta minus sin square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? A minus b times a plus b. So we can write it as this one. I am writing this one as cos theta plus sin theta times cos theta minus sin theta is equal to, this is as it is, 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now look at the problem. What is the value of cos theta plus sin theta? This is root 2 cos theta. So in the place of this I can write root 2 cos theta times cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Now cos theta will be cancelled. Now what we got here? So here I got cos theta minus sin theta is equal to, this is 2 sin theta, and the transposition of this root 2 is going to become by root 2. So this is cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta over root 2. Rationalizing it by multiplying root 1 dividing with root 2, we got cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2 root 2 sin theta over root 2 times root 2 is going to become 2. 2 will be cancelled. So what we got here? Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So this is our answer. Hope you got it. Okay, I'll go for another sum. Yeah. Now the next question, that is sum number 5. So the sum number 5 is, if sin theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, then find the value of cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, I'm sorry, this is cos square theta and this is cos power 4 theta. Okay, just pause the video and go for a try. Sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Then you have to find the value of cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. See, this is the given condition, so we will start the problem exactly from there. So what is given? Sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Then sin theta equals to the transposition of plus sin square theta is going to become minus sin square theta. This is 1 minus sin square theta, and sin theta is equal to, 1 minus sin square theta is going to become cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then obviously cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We will use this. So in the place of cos square theta, we can write sin theta. Okay. Now what is the value that we have to find? We have to find the value of cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Okay. So in the place of cos square theta, I will write cos square theta plus, in the place of cos power 4 theta, I can write it as cos square theta whole square. So this cos square theta as it is, I am writing here, plus in the place of cos square theta, can I write sin theta? So it is going to become sin theta, and square is there, that's why it is going to become square. So you tell me what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. So the answer is 1. Isn't it easy? Okay, I'll go for the next one. Okay, next question. Sum number 6. Show that tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta times sin square theta. It is the easiest problem. You can easily solve this problem. See, in the place of tan square theta, we can write it as, see, in the place of tan square theta, I am writing sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. See, sin square theta is here and sin square theta is here, that's why I am taking it as common. So now the next step is I am taking sin square theta as common. Now here we have 1 by cos square theta minus total sin square theta has been taken common, that's why it is going to become 1. Now tell me what it is. Sin square theta times, this is cos square theta is the LCM, here it is 1 minus cos square theta times 1 is cos square theta. Now this is sin square theta, and here 1 minus cos square theta. So what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta, and the denominator is cos square theta. Now this is sin square theta, and sin square theta by cos square theta is going to become tan square theta. So the answer is this. Got it? Okay, we'll go for the next one. Now I'll go for sum number 7. Now let's see sum number 7. Show that cos theta over 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta over cos theta. So this is what we have to prove. See, whenever you are going to see certain problems, like, see, cos theta cannot be equal to 1 minus sin theta in a simplest manner. Okay? That's why whenever you are seeing sums like this, the best option is to go for the rationalization method. See, cos theta over 1 plus sin theta should be multiplied with, see, it is 1 plus sin theta, multiply it with 1 minus sin theta over 1 minus sine theta. As numerator and denominator has been divided by the same value, we are not going to find any change in the fraction. So tell me the next step. Numerator into numerator, that is cos theta times 1 minus sine theta over, see, look at the denominator. This is in the form of a plus b times a minus b, that is a square minus b square. See, the numerator is cos theta times 1 minus sine theta over, denominator is 1 minus sine square theta. So what is 1 minus sine square theta? Cos square theta. See, this cos theta will be cancelled with square, and the answer is 1 minus sine theta over cos theta. So this is what we have to prove. Isn't it easy? I'll go for the next one. Now we'll go for sum number 8. So what's our sum number 8? Using sin a minus b equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, find the value of sin 15 degrees. Okay, now this is the formula that he has given, and we have to use this formula now to find the value of 15, sin 15. See, 15 is the difference of 60 degrees and 45 degrees. That's why I am assuming that A is equal to 60 degrees and B is equal to 45 degrees. Now see, put the value. This is going to become sin 60 minus 45. See, 60 minus 45 is nothing but 15, is equal to sin A, sin 60 cos B cos 45 minus cos A cos 60 sin B is sin 45. Now what is the value of sin 60? That is root 3 over 2. And what is the value of cos 45? This is 1 over root 2 minus, here cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? 1 over 2. Sin 45 is 1 over root 2. So root 3 times 1 is going to become root 3 over 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2 minus 1 1 jar 1 over 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2. So our answer is root 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2. Hope you got it. These are easiest problems. The only thing is, we have not seen these problems in the textbook. That's it. Okay, we'll go for sum number 9. So what's sum number 9? If sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 2 times sin 90 minus theta, find the value of cot theta. Okay, you see, this is the value that we have to find. So we all know that sin 90 minus theta is going to become, sin 90 minus theta is going to become cos theta. So put it there. This is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 times cos theta. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, here we are writing sin theta and here I am writing root 2 cos theta, and the transposition of plus cos theta is going to become minus cos theta. So look at the next step. This is sin theta equals to, I am taking cos theta as common. Here we got root 2 minus, here we got 1. So divide both sides with cos theta such that the cos theta is going to get cancelled. Now what is going to happen here? This is sin theta over cos theta is equal to cos theta times root 2 minus 1 over cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. Here this is sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta by cos theta? That is tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. In the problem what he has asked, the value of cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. That's why cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta. The reciprocal of root 2 minus 1 is 1 by root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Isn't it easy? I hope you solved it already. Now we'll go for the next one. The last one of this session. That is sum number 10. What's that? If tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2, find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. Okay. See, it is the easiest problem because here tan theta plus cot theta is there, here square is there. So obvious that given tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 and just go for by squaring on both sides. So what is the step? Tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to 2 whole square. This is a plus b whole square formula. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write it here as tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta times cot theta is equals to 4. And the next step is, that is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Tan and cot are reciprocals of each other, and the product of two reciprocals is always equals to 1. So I will write here 2 tan theta into, this is 1 by tan theta is equal to 4. Tan theta will be cancelled. So tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to, this plus 2 on transposition is going to become minus 2. This is 4 already there. It is minus 2, which is equal to 2. So the answer is tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 2. Guys, hope this session helped you in solving some of the problems. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.